So before I start, I need to say that I am by no means an expert, and I do this for the challenge of trying to repair things without any knowledge of how to do it, and for entertainment purposes. So with that in mind, let's crack on and have a look at this Game Boy Pocket that I actually bought on Sendico in Japan. And it had a burnt screen. Now, we actually did repair the screen originally on a live streaming session, but I'm still not happy with it, so we're going to make a few changes. The goal is for me to put a backlight into it and to add a divert mod for better contrast as well. So let's see how we get on. Okay, so far so good. What we need to do now is we need to sever two connections going into the CPU so that we can splice the Bivert chip into it, run some cables to it and splice it in. So we're going to do that next. And now onto the Bivert mod itself. This one is the one we're going to wire in today. It's the standard one. They do actually make another one as well, which is specifically made for the Game Boy Pocket. It's a little bit smaller, but this does exactly the same thing and is much more accessible. So we're going to use this one. So yeah, here's the problem with this one. Although the chip's fine where it is, the cables are too bulky for the case to shut. So that was a complete mistake. So we gotta take it apart and do it again. Next is the backlight, and yeah, I forgot to press record when I was putting it in. It's pretty simple though, once you got the reflector paper and the front and back polarizers off, which I did earlier. Cards on the table though, I practiced on 2 dead screens before doing this one and managed to ruin the ribbon cable on both of them. It's way more delicate than you think. Utter fail. Yep, I'd put the backlight in upside down, so I had to start over. So thankfully, after I turned it round the right way, it worked perfectly. What a wally. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed this, the first video on the FixitAnnie channel, hopefully there'll be more to come in the future. And I'll have a go at fixing other things. Who knows? Maybe I'll actually get it right first time. Don't forget to follow and like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much. Ta-ra!